Did you know LinkedIn now has over 1 billion users, and millions of them are letting AI rewrite their words? It started as a time saver. One click, a polished summary, a perfect post. But something quietly broke. Recruiters now scroll through profiles that all sound the same. Passionate, results-driven, collaborative. Every sentence clean, confident, and hollow. The person behind the words disappears. And here is the uncomfortable part. When everyone optimizes their voice, no one has one. LinkedIn did not silence professionals. It just gave them all the exact same thing to say.